Ever walked into a cool coffee shop, saw a tip jar, and thought, I'd love to leave a little something, but I never carry cash anymore? Or maybe you're a small business owner constantly missing out on those impulse buys because you only accept card payments? These are the exact problems Moka aims to solve. But like any service, there are costs involved. So, the big question we're tackling today is, what are the fees for using Moka? Before we dive into the specifics of Moka's pricing, let's quickly recap what Moka actually is. For those who aren't familiar, Moka is a mobile payment platform designed primarily for microtransactions and tipping. It bridges the gap between our increasingly cashless society and the need for small, convenient payments, especially in situations where cash was traditionally king. Think tipping baristas, musicians busking on the street, or even donating to local charities at events. Now, why is understanding the fee structure so important? Well, transparency is key when choosing any financial service. You need to know exactly what you're paying for and how it impacts your bottom line, whether you're a customer leaving a tip or a business receiving one. Hidden fees or complicated pricing models can erode trust and make it difficult to budget effectively. So, let's break down the different aspects of Moka's fees. First, let's talk about the fees for individuals, the people using Moka to send tips or make small payments. Generally, for users simply sending money through Moka, there are typically no direct transaction fees. This means if you want to tip your favorite street performer £2, you'll send £2 and they'll receive £2. This is a huge advantage and encourages usage as it removes the friction of added costs for the sender. This user-friendly approach is central to Moka's goal of making small payments as seamless as possible. However, it's crucial to understand how users fund their Moka accounts. Typically, users link a debit or credit card to their Moka profile. While Moka itself doesn't charge for adding funds from a debit card, there may be instances where your bank could levy a small fee, especially for cash advances using a credit card. It's always best to check with your bank's specific terms and conditions regarding these types of transactions. This isn't a Moka fee, but it's an important point to be aware of. Now, let's switch gears and discuss the fees for businesses and individuals receiving payments through Moka. This is where the core of Moka's revenue model lies. Moka typically operates on a percentage-based transaction fee, meaning they take a small percentage of each transaction processed through their platform. This fee is generally competitive with other digital payment solutions and is designed to be manageable for even small businesses. The exact percentage can vary depending on several factors, including the volume of transactions processed, the type of business, and any specific agreements in place. It's important to contact Moka directly or consult their official website for the most up-to-date and accurate fee schedule. They usually have dedicated resources and support teams to help businesses understand their pricing structure. One crucial point to emphasize is that Moka often offers tiered pricing or customized plans for businesses with higher transaction volumes. This means that as a business processes more payments through Moka, they may qualify for lower percentage fees, making the platform even more cost-effective. This incentivizes growth and fosters long-term partnerships between Moka and its business users. Another aspect to consider is the settlement time. After a transaction is processed, there's a period before the funds are deposited into the business's bank account. While Moka strives for fast settlement times, there might be a short delay, typically 1 to 2 business days. This is a standard practice in the payment processing industry and is important for security and reconciliation purposes. There are usually no separate fees associated with the settlement process itself, but it's important to factor this time frame into your cash flow management. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about Moka's fees. Some people mistakenly believe that Moka charges monthly subscription fees. This is generally not the case. Moka's primary revenue comes from the percentage-based transaction fees, not recurring monthly charges. This makes it a very attractive option for small businesses or individuals who don't want to be locked into fixed monthly costs. Another question that often arises is whether there are any fees for withdrawing funds from a Moka business account to a linked bank account. In most cases, Moka does not charge for these withdrawals. However, again, it's always prudent to double-check with Moka's current fee structure or their support team to confirm this, as policies can sometimes be updated. So, to summarize the key points regarding Moka's fees, for users sending money, there are generally no direct transaction fees. For businesses receiving payments, Moka uses a percentage-based transaction fee, which can vary depending on several factors. There are typically no monthly subscription fees or fees for withdrawing funds to a bank account. It's also important to remember that the information provided here is for general informational purposes. The most accurate and up-to-date details about Moka's fees should always be obtained directly from Moka's official website or by contacting their customer support. They are the best source for specific pricing information and can answer any individualized questions you might have. Understanding the fee structure of any payment platform is crucial for both individuals and businesses. With Moka's transparent approach and generally competitive pricing, it offers a compelling solution for microtransactions and tipping in our increasingly digital world. By clarifying the different aspects of their fee model, we hope to have provided you with a clear picture of what to expect when using Moka. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.